CNC Engraver Engraving Machine 6094 Access. Item Specifics. Brand name Vassal. CNC or not CNC. Model number DIY Mini CNC Router 6090 Engraving Machine. Condition new. Machine dimensions: 1200 by 780 by 5 medium. Rack material: 6061 and 6063 hard aluminum alloy. Engraving area: 900 by 600 Z-axis stroke: 125 mm. Acceptable material thickness less than 125 mm. Spindle motor, 1500 watts VFD water cooling spindle. Collet type ER11. Stepper motor and drive 2-phase hybrid stepping motor 57 by 56 4011 yards, 8 segments drive. Maximum operating speed, 4000 mm per minute. Repeat positioning accuracy less than 0.03 mm. 1500 watts 1.5 kW spindle 3-axis CNC Engraver Engraving Machine 6094 Access UNC 9060 CNC Router. Big working size Mini CNC Milling Machine 6090Z 1500 watts water-cooled spindle. Wood sew-on CNC Router Machine Engraving Drilling and Milling Machine. CNC Router is suitable for industry, technology research, advertising design, arts creation, teaching, student project and hobby purposes. The CNC Router is designed for large area engraving work such as industrial or hobby prototype building, building model making, PCB, advertising signs, artwork, crafts, aircraft models, RC model parts, etc. So you can do engraving work at office or home. Thanks for watching. More details check in the description.